Humans were meant to live in sunlight. The benefits of natural light to our health is immense. Our eyes need sufficient light to see comfortably, our skin needs sunlight for vitamin D synthesis, and our brains need serotonin production for happiness, sleep, and memory. Unfortunately, many people don't spend enough time under the Arizona sun due to heat, harmful UV rays, and the potential for skin cancer. To make matters worse, the windows in many homes don't let in enough natural light for normal daily living. Instead, many Arizona homes are dark, unappealing caves. Artificial lighting is one method of bringing light into our homes, but too much time under insufficient artificial lighting can lead to continual eye strain. Furthermore, without spending enough time under natural daylight, we miss the benefits that natural lighting brings, such as increased serotonin production, improved focus, better sleep, greater productivity, and a better quality of life. Another method of adding light into our homes is traditional skylights. These acrylic or glass windows in the roof do allow natural sunlight into the home, but at a cost. Due to heat gain that comes through skylights from our scorching Arizona sun, living spaces under skylights cause AC units to work harder, which leads to higher electric bills. Not only that, but most skylights allow harmful UV rays into the home, which can bleach countertops, furniture, flooring, and cabinets over time. To add insult to injury, traditional skylights are notorious for leaks. There must be a better way to bring in natural sunlight without these detriments to our homes. Thankfully, there is. Tubular skylights, also called solar tubes or sun tunnels, are the best way to bring brilliant natural light into your home. Unlike traditional skylights, tubular skylights produce virtually no heat, no leaks, and block 99% of harmful UV rays. In addition, you'll experience the health benefits of all natural sunlight to feel happier, enjoy better sleep, greater productivity, and the improved quality of life.